46% of textile experts conduct textile analysis but struggle with the time delay. How about you? My name is Valerie and I'm Senorics content creator. Today I would like to take a look with you at the outcome of our market survey on textile analysis. I will give you a short introduction to how and why we conducted the survey, and we will take a look at how textiles are currently identified, what the main disadvantages are of current solutions, and how much people spend annually on textile analysis. At Senorics, we want to revolutionize material sensing. We want to make it available to everyone. So we conducted the survey to understand the challenges and problems that people face when conducting textile analysis. We also wanted to identify and simplify solutions. And we wanted to improve our products and services so that they may best serve our customers. We did that by asking more than 40 questions and receiving more than 100 completed surveys. One of the questions we asked was, how do you currently identify textile materials? Nearly 47% of those asked conduct tests and identify textiles through analysis. On the other hand, 25% stated that they rely on the information on the label. Unfortunately, that isn't always accurate, which was confirmed by a number of experts in the field. So the conclusion we drew is that it is very important to develop testing devices that are reliable and timely, catering those who already conduct textile analysis and encouraging the remaining 53% to shift their approach. Take a look at the graph. You can see 46.43% conduct analysis and tests. 25% use the information on the label. 14.29% rely on their experience and their gut instinct. 10.71% trust their suppliers. And 3.57% get certificates of compliance. Another question we asked is, what are the disadvantages of your current solution? The biggest issues with the current solutions are time delay and cost. Usually the cost is caused by prices of extensive laboratory testing and by the training of employees. Another disadvantage is the destruction of samples. This means that unnecessary waste is created and even more cost because the samples cannot be used anymore after the testing. The conclusion that we drew was the demand for an easier solution is very clear. It needs to be cost-effective, easy to use, non-destructive, and ensure a high enough accuracy. Take a look at the graph. You can see the disadvantages are high costs, time delay, intensive employee training, accuracy not being high enough, and the destruction of samples. We also asked, how much do you spend annually on textile analysis? Nearly 30% of those surveyed spent more than 7,000 euro annually on textile analysis. Another 35% spent less than 500 euro. We also asked which payment option they would prefer if they had the choice. Most stated to prefer monthly lump sums and one-time payments over a pay-per-use scheme. That was actually quite a surprise, as we thought that pay-per-use scheme would be the favorite method of payment. What was the conclusion? Based on the findings, we have come up with the pricing and the payment scheme for our SenoLab. The SenoLab is an offer that includes a free application, comprehensive support, first access to newly revealed applications, and of course our handheld device. It can be purchased under a monthly or an annual subscription. Take a look at the graph from the outcome. You can see 35% spent less than 500 euro, 17.65% spent more than 10,000 euro. Let's sum it up. What do you think? Do you agree with the results or do you have a different opinion? Through the survey, we got clear insights into the textile industry and into the challenges that experts are facing. The answers help us to adapt our products and meet the customer needs. We thank everyone who participated and gave us insight into their daily work and into the challenges they are facing. If you would like to know more, you can email us at hannah.zinal@senorics.com to receive the full outcome of the survey. Thanks for your time and have a good day.